I like to think that I enter my videos like Alfred Hitchcock, but no, side profile, like, no, I'm just like, anyway, hi you guys, it's me, Quita, back here. Welcome to Be Cutie's World. I don't know if you've seen my video about Popeyes having, let me move the ketchup, about Popeyes, because this is what this video is about. My little video I posted on my social media. If you don't follow me on there, Be Cutie's World on Instagram, about Popeyes coming out with this new chicken sandwich on a brioche bun. So I had to try it. So we have it. It's not old. I just had to reheat it because I was doing other stuff when I got home. But looky, here's the shiny bun, some sauce and some meat and some pickles and some fries. Got some ketchup. Sure fine. Not sponsored. You sure is fine. Little ketchup fart. God is great, God is good. Let's thank for our food. But I said we're figures for daily bread. Amen. Let's take a fry. Should have really eaten these real fresh. No matter. Still kind of tasty. So let's get into it. If you've never seen me eat anything before, I smacks. So let's get into it. This is a spicy. One more bite before I say something. Yo. This sandwich legit tastes like a piece of Popeye's chicken has been laid upon a bun. I've never had well, yes I have, don't let me lie. I have had a chicken sandwich from a chicken place before, from KFC. It was fine. But this here is Popeyes, baby. This shit really tastes like Popeyes too. I don't know what I was expecting. I mean, I was hoping it was gonna be good. It looked damn good on the commercial. It's damn good in real life too. Oh, I know those of y'all who know. Now, anyway, this shit is good. Not really spicy. To me anyway. But still, damn good sandwich. Should have ate it fresh though. But it's fine. I'm new to this food review shit. Stuff. And so, preparation. I had some other people in the house, so I had to wait. Guys, I got a new light. What do you think? Does it up my video game? I want to get the ASMR microphone too, so you know you can hear all the So, you know, I love how people, when they do the eating videos, they're like, don't come up in here unless you prepare to hear a whole bunch of smacking and slurping. That's right. For me too. Clacking, singing, because when something real good to me, it's good. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I'm doing noon too. My noon coach probably kicked my ass. They knew I was eating this. I don't log all my meals. I log like breakfast and lunch. Then I'm like, oops. Just like how I dropped that fry. Don't have to be on the dinner meal. I'm like, did I forget again for 2 weeks in a row to say what I ate for dinner? Bitch, I need you in my business like that. I'm not. No, they're helpful. Not sponsored, by the way. But yeah, I like Popeye's fries too. Around Popeye's fries. Hold on. Excuse me. Let's get back to this sandwich. You know what I'm saying? Because she is the main event. I dropped a fry on there so it's a little ketchup. It'll be all right. I don't know what they call this sauce on it because I ain't looked the shit up. Saw it on TV, wanted it, got it. Oh, I got that big ass soda because the lady was taking too long at Popeyes. Then she's talking about my husband's card didn't work. No, it do, but had to hand her mine. So because of that, she hooked us up with these big ass drinks. The only thing I would say about this sandwich, guys, I need to go back to the drawing board with the sauce. I mean, it's not bad, but to me, sauce is supposed to lend something to whatever you put it on. In hindsight, you know, it's the whole point of sauce. It's to enhance the flavor. I feel that sauce put on a sandwich doesn't enhance the flavor. It already has flavor. You know what I'm saying? And ain't never wrong with sauce. I love sauce. Too much sauce, not possible. But the right kind. And that sauce just falls short. It do. So, I don't know whatever that lady name is on the Popeyes commercial claimed she come up with all their recipes and stuff. I know she lying. I thought it was ketchup on my shirt, but I waste that much. But chicken sandwich good, sauce, go back to the drawing board. Black Popeyes lady, whatever your name is. I'm sorry, I don't know her name. I'm sorry. Comment below if you know the Popeyes lady's name. I don't know. I even seen her, was that in the episode of Law and Order SVU? I think so. Comment on that too if I'm correct. But I don't know her name. Excuse me. But I don't know her name. I'm sorry. No disrespect to you. I wonder if she really is the one. Quill, you're tripping. No, she ain't gonna want to make this stuff. She's a spokesperson like Flo. Progressive girl. Fine. I don't think I'm gonna eat all these fries, so. But let me polish off the rest of the little sandwich. thick ass pickles too. See, me, when I eat a chicken sandwich, like if I make one at home, I put ketchup and mayo on it. That's all you need. Now at the end, you can taste a little bit more of the spice profile, but still. What the hell? I came through dripping? What is that? I believe that sandwich is juicy. That juicy breath is yeah. But little chicken sandwich juice came down. That bird is a clucking, baby. Oh, did not. I am sweating. You gotta wash it down. Look at this, you guys. I should be a hand model. I'm trying. And my hands clean, I can't tell. Y'all know anybody tell me, hit me up. Professional. Just make that cup look more inviting. In conclusion, I have tried, or that was just me trying, the new Popeye's spicy chicken sandwich on a brioche bun. What are my thoughts? Let me see. Let me rate it. I'm gonna rate it even before. Oh my gosh, it's me missing. What scale do I use? Most people use scale of 1 to 5. So on a scale of 1 to 5 for this chicken sandwich, I'm gonna give it, excuse me, 3.5. Yeah, 3.5 Quitas. Why 3.5? One, because it was, because I reheated it, and that was not Popeye's fault. I had to reheat it because I said I had things going on in the house at the time, so I couldn't eat it right then. So I know it would have been better fresh. But also, not only that, like I said, that sauce just wasn't boss. They need to go back to the drawing board on the sauce. Now, if I would have had this bad boy fresh, probably gave it, a solid 4. And then, like I said, no higher than that because of said sauce. The bun was soft. Okay? The chicken breast really tasted like Popeye. Like, it legit tasted like they took a breast from, I don't know what you call the chicken area. But it legit tasted like, Popeyes. It really did. And I give them kudos on that. But like I said, that sauce just wasn't the one. And when it did get spicy, it wasn't like a flavorful spicy, you know what I'm saying? It was just heat. And we all know about the difference between spicy with flavor and just spicy with heat. It's just spicy with heat to me, and not like just a little heat. Well, nothing bad, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, overall, it was a good experience. I'm glad I tried it. The sandwich itself is $3.99 US. We got the combos, which, if I'm not mistaken, is $6.99 a piece. It's like $14.95 or something like that. Excuse me, but definitely I recommend this. If I got it again, I not say that, anything against Popeyes when I'm trying to, be good and I eat shit like this on a regular basis. But if I did eat it again, I would probably just get the traditional, not the spicy, because I don't see the point of the spicy. And I could probably get them to hook it up with some lettuce, some tomato, some mayo, and some ketchup. Baby. And for those who like it, cheese, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Eat it right on up. Which I still ate it right on up. But like I said, just a little few tweaks and twerks that lady at Popeyes could do with it. This is their first time having a chicken sandwich, which is ridiculous because this is a chicken place and they've been making chicken for however long they've been making it. And this is their first time making a chicken sandwich. So, yeah, they're going to have to work out some kinks. I mean, it's just plain. I mean, I know how arrogant of them to be like, this is Popeyes. It doesn't need anything else, which I understand. Just the pickles and, the little sauce or whatever. But come on, spice it up, dress it up. But okay. And, probably they don't want to do that too because they feel like, oh, we're fancy because it's on a brioche bun. And I was like, oh, hell, not a brioche bun, baby. Arby's, they do that on King's Hawaiian, but Popeye said, oh, no, we're going to do a brioche bun. It was all, I like that. Like buns that feel like buns, you know what I'm saying? Not all stale and dry and tasting like the environment they were kept in, But it was fine. Excuse me. Would I, suggest or recommend that anyone else try it? Sure. Why not? Especially if you're a Popeyes fan. If your health doesn't permit it, don't do it. They might come out with like sliders or something one day. I don't know. I can't speak for Popeyes. I don't work for them. But I mean, yeah, try anything once. I'm glad I got to try it, experience it. Thrill is gone. But it's fine. It's fine. I say, try it for real. Try it. I'm not down talking them, but try it. It's not bad at all. Just eat it fresh. Get the traditional. You might want to go home and, hook it up somewhat yourself or whatever. But Popeyes, take notes. Change that sauce on the spicy chicken, okay? Just change the sauce. Maybe add a pickle. Not a pickle, it always has pickles, I'm sorry. Add a tomato, my bad. Add a tomato, a little slice of lettuce, you know what I'm saying? They call it the deluxe. You probably charge them an extra $1 for it. Excuse me. But yeah. So this has been Quita reviewing Popeye's new spicy chicken sandwich on a brioche bun. I'm glad you guys stopped by to get another glimpse of Be Cutie's World. Welcome. Hope you like this video. Share it, subscribe, and give a big old thumbs up. And even if you didn't like it, I don't care. You can even get it a thumbs down. I don't care as long as you stick around. I'm crazy. And if you like craziness, welcome to Be Cutie's World, cuties. Peace. Have a good night. Or whatever.